Hey everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. Let's say you need to change a tire on your Lexus GX 460 and you get to this lug nut right here and you say to yourself, well, something's weird about that. That's because you need a wheel lock key to take care of that. Now, a lot of people are going to go right here and look in the glove box. Well, guess what? It's not there. It's not in the center console. In fact, it's not going to be within the front or rear seat area anywhere. So let's go back here. I don't know if I can do this one-handed or not. I may have to split the scenes up a little bit, but we'll see what happens. But one way or another, here is where it is located. This is what you're looking for. Let's see if I can slide that out of there one-handed. I don't know if I can. There we go. Trying to keep things from falling over. So here is your wheel lock key. So what you're going to do is you will insert it right in there. So on your tire iron, very easy to do. And it fits right on. So here, let me show you real quick. Let's find it on here. And so you're going to basically end up putting that slotted area right in here onto it. You'll know when it locks on because you won't be able to turn it anymore. And then you can either have it on the crowbar to begin with, or I'm sorry, the tire iron, not the crowbar, the tire iron to begin with, or you can insert the tire iron right here or put it on right here if you want to. And that is how you find your wheel lock key for the Lexus GX 460.
To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.